Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In the heart of Osaka Bay, a marvel of engineering stands tall. Kansai International Airport, a futuristic behemoth built on artificial islands, cost a staggering $20 billion. But this island paradise holds a dark secret: it's sinking. Today, we dive deep into the story of this colossal gamble, exploring the engineering feats, environmental challenges, and the uncertain future of the world's most expensive aquatic runway. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Building on water, a daring dream takes flight. The 1980s saw Japan dreaming big. To combat congestion at existing airports, a daring plan emerged: build a monumental airport on reclaimed land in Osaka Bay. Mountains were flattened, billions poured in, and against all odds, Kansai International Airport rose from the waves. A marvel of hydraulic jacks, reinforced concrete, and innovative runways, it became a symbol of Japan's technological prowess. The sea fights back, cracks in the concrete Colossus. But nature doesn't bend to blueprints. The very ground Kansai rested on, soft marine sediments, began sinking faster than anticipated. Cracks appeared, seawall strained, and the billion-dollar dream started showing its watery underbelly. Emergency measures kicked in: constant adjustments, seawall expansions, and a fight against the relentless tide. Environmental dominoes, rising seas, and a precarious balance. The sinking isn't just an engineering headache, it's an environmental alarm bell. Rising sea levels, exacerbated by climate change, threaten to engulf Kansai in the future. The delicate balance between artificial islands and natural tides has become a stark reminder of the consequences of tampering with nature. Adapting to survive, innovation in the face of adversity. But Japan isn't throwing in the towel. Engineers are constantly innovating, testing new materials, and implementing advanced monitoring systems. From raising evacuation heights to exploring land-based expansion, Kansai is a laboratory for the future of coastal infrastructure, a race against the rising tide to keep the airport afloat. A costly lesson: beyond engineering, value, and sustainability, Kansai's story is more than just a tale of technical challenges. It's a reflection of our relationship with the environment, a cautionary tale about mega projects and the need for sustainable development. It raises questions about the true cost of such endeavors, not just in dollars, but in environmental impact and long-term viability. If you liked the video, do me a favor, share the video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.